2020 means a new decade, an election year, and a new U.S. Census that will bring years of benefits to cities all around the country and right here in Wisconsin. Rose Schmidt joins us to explain a new statewide effort to make sure you and your neighbors get involved. Rose?
Eric, Wisconsin's governor and Madison city officials have a pretty simple message for you. Take the 2020 census when you're notified about it next March. The city says it takes fewer than 10 minutes to finish, but it will provide relevant information to use for many decades to come.
Interest and awareness is really starting to build.
It's still about 4 months away, but the 2020 census is already taking up chunks of Ben Zeller's time. Time he's happy to devote to make sure that the federal government is able to gather the correct data.
If we don't have a complete and accurate count within the city, that means that for the next 10 years, we'd be missing out on our fair share of federal funding for things like transit, roads, affordable housing, health care, nutrition.
Zellers is a planner with the city of Madison, working with UW, Madison schools, nonprofits, and neighborhoods to educate about the importance of filling out census forms. In mid-March, people will receive a letter from the Census Bureau asking them to fill it out online. That's a new option for 2020.
If households haven't filled out the census information in May, that's when Census Bureau employees will start going out to knock on doors.
The census isn't just a head count. It's about visibility, voice, and values.
Governor Tony Evers signed an executive order Monday creating a committee designed to increase participation in the 2020 census. The committee will develop strategies on reaching hard-to-count communities, like children, immigrants, people of color, and people who are low income.
In 2010, Wisconsin had one of the highest participation rates in the country, but the estimated hard-to-count population in Wisconsin is more than 600,000 people in 2020.
Census data is also used to help draw legislative districts, from city alders all the way up to the U.S. House. So Zeller says not filling out the census form means certain areas aren't getting the funding and representation they deserve. You will also be able to fill out the census by mail, phone, or smartphone. The city and county are currently working together to make a map and list of places where people can go to fill out that census on a computer if they don't have one at home, and all the information is confidential, Eric.
Yeah, very important. They've been talking about this for a while, and it just doesn't take that much time.
10 minutes, they say.
Fill it out. Rose, thank you.